Don't be mistaken on how frequent you want to vacuum, it's how frequent you need to vacuum. Hi, Andy here. In this video, we're going to determine what flooring you have and your family lifestyle and to design a vacuuming schedule that is right for your home. Now, hygiene experts and interior designer agrees that floors should be vacuumed once a week minimum. Now, due to our busy and fast-paced lifestyle, vacuum every day is time-consuming and most probably you're wasting money on electricity bill to clean something that is not necessary to clean yet. However, dragging longer than a week between vacuuming sessions can lead to serious health issues like pneumonia, asthma that caused by the dirt, dust, bacteria, and allergens tracked by our shoes or feet. Now we're going to determine the frequency of vacuuming based on your flooring type. Tile and hardwood floors. Weekly vacuuming is sufficient for tile and hardwood floor because they don't hold any dirt, dust, and bacteria compared with a carpeted floor due to their flat and hard surface. However, dust and allergens can still collect on the surface and get caught in between tiles and floorboard, so once a week is a must. Carpet surface demand more frequent vacuuming, at least twice a week, because the fiber trap dirt, dust, and allergens, and also it absorbs spills and grime that facilitate the bacteria growing. The longer you drag and neglect the surface and continue walking on it, the more dirt and debris you trap on it. For pet lovers, vacuum daily if you have pet. The floor for pet lovers are easily littered with pet hair. Pets who go outside can bring in bacteria like Psychopora that can cause headache, vomiting, diarrhea, and other infection in humans. Daily vacuuming will help to banish the bacteria to maintain your family health, but if you don't have the time, at least focus on the room where your pets spend the most time. Vacuum rugs twice a week. Any rugs that cover tile, hardwood floor should be individually vacuumed twice a week. The rug fibers absorb grime and accumulate bacteria at about the same rate as carpet. The size of the rug may determine how often you need to vacuum the floor underneath. Because the rug takes the burden of dirt and grime, you may vacuum the whole floor once a month after you roll up or remove the rugs. What we have gone through are just some guidelines on vacuuming frequency, and you should increase the vacuuming frequency if the result does not live up to your expectation. And don't be mistaken on how frequent you want to vacuum, it's how frequent you need to vacuum. Hope you get some insight out of this. Link is up or down below if you want to know more about vacuum that doesn't overheat 25 to 40 minutes after continuous vacuuming. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.